extrasensory perception. Extrasensory perception is self-explanatory. You know, if you look at it morphologically from linguistic model, you know, it is really based on all sensory modalities are augmented. You know, you see, smell, taste, touch, and you hear. You know, the jargonic term is auditory, optical, olfactory, tactile, and gustatory. So it's augmented. It's augmented. It's altered. It's modified. It's like upgrade 2.0. So it's all advanced. So you see more, you hear more. This way you get the term discernment, because you see more, you hear more. It activates. You activate. Your sixth sense becomes activated.
Consists of 440 hertz. Why, when you double 440 hertz, you get an octave? So you hear the same note at a much higher frequency, but it's the same note. So it's the A, but a higher frequency. Now we call it pitch. It's frequency from a